Welcome to Myers-Briggs Personality Types in ATC. Written by Carson Roberts, narrated by Scott Roberts. Great Scott! What is a Myers-Briggs personality type? Well, the Myers-Briggs personality type uses 4 points of emphasis to determine your personality. The first point is extrovert-introvert, which means outgoing versus private. The next point of emphasis is sensing-intuitive, focused on facts versus focused on imagination. The next point of emphasis is thinking-feeling. This is logical versus emotional. The next point of interest and emphasis is judging-perceiving. This prefers a set of schedule versus likes a fluid schedule. Men in ATC. Extroversion and introversion almost equally likely in men in ATC. Men in ATC are slightly more likely than the average man to be extroverted. You'll see a 49% versus a 45%. 65% of men in ATC are sensing. 35% are intuitive. Roughly the same as non-ATC men. 83% thinking, while 17% feeling. Much higher likelihood to be thinking than non-ATC men. You're looking at an 83% versus 68%. 70% judging, while only 30% feeling. Much higher propensity for judging than non-ATC men. 70% versus 55%. Now, as we transfer from men to women in ATC, you'll find that 55% of the women are extrovert, while only 45% are introvert. More likely than non-ATC women to be extroverted. You're looking at 45. I'm sorry, I completely botched that number. You're actually looking at 55% versus 47%. Now, 61% are sensing, while 39% are intuitive. Less likely to be sensing than non-ATC women. 61% versus 71%. That's a 10% spread in the women. 73% thinking, while only 27% are feeling. Women in ATC almost 2 times as likely to be thinking than non-ATC women. 73% versus 39%. 64% are judging, while 36% perceptive. ATC and non-ATC women are similar in judging and perceptive. Next slide. When you are looking at the population totals, which are women and men, 50% are extrovert, 50% are introvert. So it's an equal spread. 4% more likely to be extroverted. 65% sensing, 35% intuitive. 4% less likely to be sensing. 82% thinking, 18% feeling. 29% more likely to be thinking. And last but not least of the population totals, 70% judging, 30% perceptive, 11% more likely to be judging. In summary, air traffic controllers are more than mostly equally extroverted and introverted. So you'll find that the air traffic controllers are mostly equally extroverted and introverted. Sensing is more common than intuitive. Thinking is much more common than feeling. Judging is more common than perceptive. Air traffic controllers mostly focus on reality rather than imagination, make decisions based on logic, and prefer to have structure in their lives. The references are $CS and Schroeder, DJ, 2004 to December. A longitudinal study of Myers-Briggs personality types as air traffic controllers, retrieved April 22nd, 2020 from file //c :users/c Roberts 42 /download /a little line longitudinal little line study undercase of undercase Meyer S-Briggs undercase personality undercase T.PDF. Great Scott!
Sensational.